In this video, I'll create price recommendations flow from scratch. To create a new flow, click on the plus button, select new flow and we'll name it as demo price recommendations and click on create. The flow window will open up. Now we'll pull an unpriced dataset. This dataset contains user-defined parameters on which we make the predictions of house prices. Now we'll add a new column to this unpriced dataset by adding a new column facet. We'll name the new column as MEDV and update this facet. Now we'll add our predict facet to the new column facet and use the previously trained model. So we'll just select the Boston Housing Random Forest model. We are selecting overwrite as false because we are not training the model and selecting the target column as MEDV. Now we'll add the original dataset so that we can see the predictions based on the parameters, and we'll join these two datasets using the join facet. Now we'll join the unpriced data to the join facet and give the arguments as left and right for the flow connectors to the join facet. We'll select the option as join by rows as there will be same number of rows, and we'll export the output using exported facet. I'll select the file type as CSV and give the dataset name as recommendation output and update the facet. Now we can run the flow. We have our output dataset ready and we can peek it. In this, there is a prediction of median value of houses on the user defined parameters. Also, one can see this dataset after refreshing the page in the datasets tab. Thank you.